Guys, it's Wild Goat Effects here. Today I'm showing you how I botched one of the greatest weeks in my trading career. So let's just go over here. Here was my watch list. There was more stocks on this list, but this is what I screenshotted for the group. Taking a look at the first trade we called, or I was gonna call but never actually called it in the trading group. Visa, there was a gap to fill on the 4 hour. If we take a look, here's the gap. Filled the gap on 8/14, but it also wicked down on the 18th. And I remember watching this. It literally happened as I was watching it, but something was going on just in my life, so I just didn't get to it. And yeah, I got a phone call, and then I never called it in the alert room because I was like, all right, I can't trade for the rest of the day. But yeah, I botched this position, Visa, and that was a $8 move. So that would have been like a 300% gain. I botched this position literally yesterday. I was like, Fastly wasn't ready. I was waiting it for just to cross over this. Then it crossed over yesterday, but then something happened, so I never got to it. And it ran up $10 today, so missed that. I told everyone there was going to be a VIX breakout. It broke out today, but then got sold off. RTX called to sell, never got in the trade, but it came all the way down to 6. So that was a $5 move. LYB called to buy here, never told anyone to close. Just it was a bad week for me, guys. Just like a personal level, it was a bad week. We got in BA puts here. We got in 165 puts. It sold all the way to 166, filling these gaps at the bottom. DKNG told everyone it was either gonna run or sell off. This was a doji candle. Never noticed this, and then it ran up. As you see, it was bullish after the doji. That means it's gonna buy. It's gonna run. On Netflix this week, and in the cloud, and that was bullish momentum, and it came all the way up to 500. PSTG, another filling the bottom of the filling a gap down here at the 1 hour, ran up a total of one whole dollar, but that's a lot for a small stock. And ZS, it opened at 121 this week and ran all the way up to 136. Completely missed literally a lot. Actually, I started with Visa. Hold on, we're gotta go to PDD. PDD opened this week at 84, ran up to 97, so we missed that whole trade. TDoc, another trade that I posted in the alert room, started at 184 this week, ran up to 220, never called it. Zillow started at 74 this week, ran up to 82. Guys, it just completely easy calls, just completely missed this. This one messed me up. So basically, we called a sell last week, and here's a doji, and it came with selling momentum, but then it reversed. Like, this was a bad day for me. Like, something happened, so I couldn't trade, and then something happened this morning where I couldn't trade. So I completely missed this move. We didn't trade NVAX. We also didn't trade INO. But it was a crazy week. Like all my trades, if I would have called them, would have been good to go. But something happened, so I couldn't trade. And I feel bad for everyone in the alert room because all the trades we're in aren't doing so hot. But it would have been a great week if my Monday wasn't terrible and Wednesday wasn't shit. But I plan on having a good week next week, guys. So just keep updated on the alert room. We should be good to go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Peace.